Hi everyone, welcome to Amala Movement. I'm Charlotte. This week, as part of the Fundamentals of Breath series, we are looking at Nadi Shodhana. Let's get started. So as part of this Fundamentals of Breath series, I'd love to take this opportunity to just explain a little bit about Nadi Shodhana and what it is, the benefits of the practice, and then we'll move into a guided meditation where I will talk us through a breathing practice so that we can experience Nadi Shodhana. So wherever you are, I just invite you to find a place to sit that's really comfortable. Feel free to prop yourself up on a pillow, blanket, or block. Allow your spine to sit nice and long, your shoulders to drop and melt down into your back, and for your breath to soften. Great. So Nadi Shodhana is a breathing practice that uses alternate nostril breathing to balance out energy in the body. The word Nadi translates to mean channel or flow, and Shodhana means purification. So by putting Nadi and Shodhana together, we get the purification of the flow of energy in the body. So in the body, there are two main energy channels. These are called the Ida and the Pingala. The Ida is the right side of the brain, and this controls the left side of your body. And this energy is cooling and calming. So you'll experience your Ida energy when you are resting or relaxing, and ideally just before you go to sleep. The Pingala is the left side of the brain, and this controls the right side of the body. And the Pingala energy is our doing, our active energy. And these two energies, the Ida and the Pingala, one is always going to be higher than the other. And these are in constant fluctuation throughout the day. So benefits of Nadi Shodhana is that it balances out this energy in the body, the brain, and the nervous system. It also helps to reduce any anxiety, anger, or stress. It calms down the mind, and it's so beneficial for any respiratory diseases such as bronchitis or asthma. The best time of day to practice Nadi Shodhana is early in the morning with sunrise or with sunset, and ideally on an empty stomach. So after about 3 hours of eating, after eating your last meal. Please do not practice Nadi Shodhana if you have a cold, a flu, or a fever. And as always, we're never looking to find any discomfort in our yoga practice. So learn Nadi Shodhana and practice Nadi Shodhana in a way that really, truly supports you. We never want to force the breath. So take it easy and just trust that your Nadi Shodhana and this practice will grow in a way that supports you. So really do take your time with it. So after all of that being said, let's return to connecting to our breath, where I will guide us through a little meditation. So let's re-find the length in our spine. You can close the eyes if they aren't already closed. Allow the sound of my voice to guide you. And we'll spend a few moments with our hands resting gently on our lap, breathing in and out through the nose. And just noticing how this feels for you. How does the breath feel? And there's no right or wrong answer. Does the breath feel easy and soft and relaxed? Does it feel a bit trickier today? Does it feel sticky in some points? How are you feeling? Is the mind racing? Is it quiet? And you can keep your eyes closed. Leave your left hand resting in your lap and bring your index finger and your middle finger to rest gently and softly at your third eye, so the space in between your eyebrows. And we're going to warm up with some very gentle alternate nostril breathing. So bringing your right thumb to gently rest on your right nostril. So closing the right nostril. And we'll take 5 soft breaths in and out through the left nostril. So as we continue to do this, continue to breathe in and out softly, just through the left nostril. Just gently remind yourself that this time is valuable. And it's okay if your mind feels busy and wandering. Trust the process, trust the practice. And we'll gently switch. So release the right thumb. So your right nostril is free. And use your right ring finger and your pinky finger to gently close the left nostril. 5 deep breaths in and out through the right nostril. Gently find a little extra length in your spine. One more breath in and out through the right nostril. Keeping your eyes closed, bring the right hand back down to rest on your lap. And spend a moment breathing in and out through both nostrils. Noticing already how you feel. You might already feel a slight shift in energy. And in a moment, I'll guide us through a full Nadi Shodhana practice where we will alternate nostrils with each and every breath. I'll guide us through the practice. Remember, be kind to yourself. If at any moment it feels too much on the breath or on the mind, just bring the hand back down, breathe in and out through both nostrils, and then join back in whenever you are ready. So we'll prepare the hands. Bring your first finger, your index finger, and your middle finger to rest gently on your third eye. Take a deep breath in through both nostrils. Exhale out through both nostrils. Again, inhale in through both nostrils. Use your right thumb to gently cover your right nostril. Exhale out left nostril. Inhale left nostril. Use your ring finger, cover your left nostril. Release your thumb, exhale right nostril. Inhale right nostril. Use your thumb, cover your right nostril. Open your left, exhale left. Inhale left nostril. Cover your left nostril, open your right, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, open left, exhale left. And if it feels okay, we'll add in just a little bit of retention. So inhale left nostril, close left, pause, open right, exhale right nostril. Keep softness in the body. Inhale right nostril, close right nostril, pause, open left nostril, exhale left. Inhale left nostril, close left, pause, open right, exhale right nostril. We'll take one more cycle. Inhale right nostril, close right nostril, pause, open left nostril, exhale left. Last time, inhale left, close left nostril, pause, open right, exhale right. Keep the eyes closed. Lower the right hand down to your lap. Breathing in and out through both nostrils. Take a moment to enjoy how you're feeling. Notice any differences in the body, the breath, or the mind. Your breath might be feeling longer and softer, easier on the body. The mind might feel a little more still, maybe even a little more calm. And however you're feeling, enjoy this moment and just trust the process. Bringing the palms of your hands together, Anjali Mudra, and lifting your thumb up towards your third eye. Thank you so much for taking this time to learn a little more about Nadi Shodhana and to deepen your practice in this way. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.